Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Last video we have seen about the basics of functions. We have added the video link in the description. Today we are going to see about the different types of arguments in the functions in Python. So there are non-keyword arguments and keyword arguments. So generally if you want to give arguments, let's say, let it be name and message, and we will try to print hello name and message, followed by we will call the function with some name. So now we are calling the function with two arguments, one is for name and one is for the message. So now we are defined the number of arguments in the function header. So what if user wants to pass more number of arguments but we don't know how many in prior? So how to declare that? So here it comes the non-keyword and keyword arguments. Non-keyword arguments is something we can pass the multiple variables as arguments to the function without any keywords. So let's say, so we are already getting an example, let's keep that. So these non-keyword arguments has to be prefixed with the asterisk. And one more thing is this non-keyword arguments are received as a tuples. Let's try to print the type of the non-keyword arguments. Okay, so let's try to print this. So if you see, these three arguments are named as asterisk names. So these are received in the tuples. So if you want to loop through each argument, we can use the for loop. So let's use the same. So this is how it has looped and each argument has been printed. So here we are not mapping any keyword with the arguments. So let's say we want to map each argument with the keyword so that it will be mapped correctly and printed in the function. So here we have to use double asterisk followed by the argument's name. So let's take, okay, we are getting an example. Oh, sorry. So if you see, let's try to run again. Here we are calling the function with the keyword followed by the argument value. So name1, name2, name3 are the keys and values we are passing. So here this will be received as a dictionary since it's in the form of key value pair. So if you want to loop through these key values, we have to use items functions, which we have already covered in the dictionary video. So this is how non-keyword and keyword arguments work. So this is useful where you want to pass the multiple arguments. You don't know the number of arguments in prior. Hope you had a good learning in this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. We will cover more topics in the next video. Thank you.